Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Devana from the Accounting Study Program at Teknokrat Indonesia University. Here I will explain the material about formulation of national trade policy. Trade plays an important role in a country's economic development. In order for trade activities to run regularly, efficiently, and support inclusive economic growth, the government needs to formulate appropriate trade policies. National trade policy is a set of rules, strategies, and actions set by the government to regulate domestic and international trade activities. The formulation of this policy is not a simple process. It involves consideration of various economic, social, political factors as well as global influence. Therefore, a structured and participatory planning process is needed so that the resulting policy can answer national needs while being able to compete in the international market. Definition of national trade policy. National trade policy is a policy set by the government to regulate and direct trade activities in goods and services in a country. This policy aims to achieve a balance between the interests of business actors, consumers, and the interests of national economic development as a whole. Trade policy covers two main scopes: domestic trade, which is a policy that regulates the distribution, price, availability, and security of goods and services in the domestic market. Foreign trade, which are policies concerning exports, imports, tariff, international trade agreements, and protection of domestic industries. Objective of national trade policy. Some of the objectives of national trade policy include: national trade policy include increase national economic growth, protect domestic industries from unfair competition, encouraging the export of local products, maintains price stability and availability of essential goods, releasing fair and sustainable trade, attract investment and increase the competitiveness of a national product, adjust to the dynamic of the global market and international agreement. Principles in policy formulation. In order for national trade policy to be effective, the formulation process must consider the following principles: fairness. Policy must be fair and discriminatory for all economic actors. Openness. The formulation process must involve various parties such as the business world, academic, the community, and non-governmental organization. Economic efficiency. Encourage optimal resource allocation. Economic relations, anticipating potential supply disruption and global turmoil. Sustainability. Support environmentally friendly and sustainable trade practice. Consistency with international agreement. Alike national policies with trade commitments in frameworks such as WTO, ASEAN, FTAs, and others. Stakes of national trade policies formulation. National trade policy has a very important role in regulating and directing a country's economic activities, both at the domestic and international levels. In order for the policy to be effective and in accordance with national needs, the formulation process must be carried out systematically, database, and involve various stakeholders. The formulation of national trade policies generally goes through several main steps that are included, namely: 1. Identification of problem and needs. The initial step in trade policy formulation is to identify problem and needs in the trade sector.
you.